Hello guys, si Rinal Banda ng Buhay sa Cruise Ship. Silipin natin ang karanasan ng mga trainees ng WMHTI on board ng Adora Magic City sa kanilang International Cruise Familiarization Program. Isa sa mga highlights nito ang actual bed making training mula sa cabin steward na si Jonathan Bien. Tara, panoorin natin.
Hello po, good morning. I'm Jonathan from the Philippines. Start in the cruise ship 2004 and the previous company is Costa, Magsaysay. And now my new company, my new home. Turo ko lang kung paano mag-beddings. Okay. Ito po yung ating mattress. We have a mattress pad and mattress cover. Okay. First sheet. Tatakpan na natin. And then check there's a hair or stain. Okay. And this is a pattern in the middle. A bit. And then fold ko natin siya na 45 degrees corner. Okay. 45 degrees. Then tackling. And then next is the duvet. Duvet terminal. And duvet cover. Yan. Look natin kung wrong side or right side. If wrong side, makikita natin yung stitch sa loob. This one. This is the wrong side. This is the right side. Ang advantage lang sa akin, malaki ako kaya lang. Natin mo natin. Yan. Avoid lang natin tumama sa floor o sanitation, no? Throw that. And then fold natin. Say 45. Okay. Check fold natin. The next, the pillow. And throw pillow. And this one decorative.
Matapos ang demonstration ni Jonathan, syempre sinundan naman ito ng mga trainees ng WMHTI upang ma-experience nila ang aktual na pagpapalit ng beddings. Personal din nilang nakausap ang mga crew sa kanilang mga katanungan.